Bosch 300 Series VeroCafe TIU20307 review. Real cafe coffee at home. No barista needed.
Does your morning coffee routine feel like a second job before you've even had your first sip? I had one of those mornings where the line at my usual cafe stretched out the door, I was already late, and I showed up to my first call without coffee. Absolute disaster. If that sounds painfully familiar, tell me in the comments, because you are not alone. That daily tension of rushing, waiting, and still ending up with a mediocre cup is a slow, grinding drain on your energy. I tried cheap pod machines and manual espresso setups, but the overwhelm of cleaning, dialing in, and wasting time was real. There had to be a calmer, smarter way to get a genuinely great coffee without turning mornings into a battle. Then everything changed when I found the Bosch 300 Series VeroCafe TIU20307. Don't just pick any fully automatic coffee and espresso machine. Make sure it has a genuine one-touch milk system and a ceramic burr grinder so you never waste time on weak, flavorless coffee that tastes nothing like the cafe again. The first morning I used it, I pressed one button and watched it grind fresh beans, brew espresso, and froth milk into a creamy latte macchiato without me touching a thing. Let me be honest, that felt a little surreal. The ceramic aroma double spin grinder runs whisper quiet and keeps beans from overheating during grinding, which genuinely preserves the aroma in a way you can taste immediately. The SensoFlow system locks in ideal brewing temperature from the first drop to the last. The removable milk container froths automatically and detaches for dishwasher cleaning in seconds. A colleague of mine nearly skipped his morning meeting prep because his old machine broke mid-brew. He swapped to this, and now his mornings run on schedule. Long-term consistency is next. After weeks of daily use, the machine becomes quietly indispensable. You stop thinking about your coffee routine because it simply works. A certified coffee technician who reviewed this machine praised the SensoFlow temperature stability, noting it produces a remarkably rich crema and smooth flavor profile, free from bitterness, free from overheated water. A lifestyle content creator who reviewed it described the milk froth as thick, velvety, and visually beautiful, calling it a luxury experience every single morning. From a market research perspective, analysts highlighted how Bosch positioned this model to capture buyers who want genuine high-end features like integrated one-touch milk and double-cup brewing without the complexity of manual machines. Real users on the Bosch website back that up. One buyer noted their non-coffee drinking partner now requests a latte every day. Another described it as fast, hot, and genuinely easy to clean. Now, some reviewers have flagged that the grinder offers only 3 settings, which may feel limited for enthusiasts who love dialing in extremely fine adjustments. Fair point, but for most daily users, the consistency it delivers is more than satisfying. Would waking up to a perfect latte without leaving your kitchen change how you start your day? If you are tired of rushed mornings, expensive cafe runs, and coffee machines that make you work too hard, the Bosch 300 Series VeroCafe TIU20307 is a genuinely smart upgrade worth exploring. Thousands of home users and professionals are already enjoying consistent barista-style drinks at the touch of a button daily. Results may vary based on water quality, beans, and personal taste preferences. You will find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below. Click through and experience the difference for yourself today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.